The Amazon jungle, also known as the Amazon rainforest, is a vast and diverse tropical rainforest located in South America, primarily within the borders of Brazil, but also extending into several other countries including Peru, Colombia, and several others. It is one of the most biodiverse regions on Earth and plays a crucial role in global ecological systems. The history of the Amazon jungle is rich and complex, encompassing geological, ecological, indigenous, and colonial aspects. Number 1. Geological history. The Amazon rainforest is believed to have formed over the course of tens of millions of years, evolving from a vast inland sea into the lush rainforest we know today. The geological changes, including shifts in climate and the rise of the Andes mountain range, contributed to the formation of the forest's unique ecosystems. Number 2. Indigenous peoples. The Amazon jungle has been inhabited by indigenous peoples for thousands of years, some of whom have managed and lived in harmony with the environment, practicing sustainable agricultural and hunting techniques. These indigenous communities have diverse cultures and languages and have contributed significantly to the preservation of the rainforest. Number 3. European exploration and colonization. European exploration of the Amazon region began in the late 15th century, with Spanish and Portuguese explorers venturing into the rainforest. Spanish explorer Francisco de Orellana is credited with the first recorded European journey down the Amazon River in the 1540s. However, it wasn't until the 17th century that European colonization began in earnest, with Portuguese settlers establishing communities along the river's banks. Number 4. Rubber boom. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, the Amazon experienced a rubber boom, driven by global demand for rubber during the Industrial Revolution. This period brought immense wealth to certain areas, but it also led to environmental degradation and exploitation of indigenous labor. Number 5. Modern challenges. The 20th century saw increased deforestation in the Amazon rainforest due to logging, agriculture, and development projects. Large areas of the forest were cleared for activities like cattle ranching and soybean cultivation. This has led to concerns about biodiversity loss, carbon emissions, and the impact on indigenous communities. Number 6. Conservation efforts. In recent decades, there has been a growing awareness of the importance of the Amazon rainforest for global biodiversity, climate regulation, and indigenous rights. Conservation organizations, indigenous groups, and governments have collaborated to establish protected areas, promote sustainable development, and combat illegal logging and mining. Number 7. Environmental awareness. The Amazon rainforest has become a symbol of global environmental issues, and its preservation is a topic of international concern. Debates about sustainable development, indigenous rights, and the role of international agreements in protecting the rainforest continue to shape the region's history. The history of the Amazon jungle is ongoing and intertwined with contemporary challenges such as deforestation, climate change, and the need to balance economic development with ecological preservation. Efforts to protect and sustainably manage the rainforest remain critical for the future well-being of both the region and the planet as a whole.